Hey guys, I'm again Viraj from eXpert. So today regarding engine oil leak, customer complaint is smoking from the engine. Uh, I mean smoking and smoke smell. So this is pretty much common on this engine. So this is 3.0 Audi S5 2019. So this one V6 3.0 engine. So they common to oil leak from the oil filter housing o-ring. So this is the plastic housing. So it's got the o-ring bottom of the housing. So as you can see, when they leak, the oil is going into the valley, as you can see. So then from the valley, there's a two separate oil path to drain behind the engine. So that means behind the engine, that means you can see the visible oil leak from the underneath as well. So when you seen from the underneath oil leaks, so it seems to like oil leaking from the bottom timing chain, rear timing chain cover, or from the seal, but actually no, not. So they do leak from the oil filter housing. So today I'm gonna replace the whole this new oil filter housing. So but some guys they do replacing only the seal, but in my case I'm always replacing the whole housing because it's the plastic housing, you know, they can get deformed as well. So surface can deform anytime. So I'm gonna replace with the new one. So this problem not only this model, so we got 2.9 liter twin turbocharged engine as well. So that engine also got same common oil leak from the oil filter housing, because obviously it's got the same oil filter housing. But on that is bit hard to remove. To get on 2.9 liter engine, to get to the oil filter housing, you have to remove the one bank 2 turbocharger. So it's bit time consuming job, but there's a shortcut as well. So on this 3 liter one, so only we need to remove this heat shield. Here, remove this heat shield, and this the turbo oil line, but I don't know this the return or feed line. It looks like oil feed line, and then you have to remove the charcoal canister line. I mean like breather line. This is your charcoal canister hide behind the heat shield. So just T30 there, just T30 there and pull out, and here also T30 and pull out pipe, and remove this connection from here, breather line, charcoal canister pipe, and then you can access to the all the oil filter housing screws. You can see I already removed. So it's good. The oil filter housing got 3 screws, 3 bolts. So before you remove all the bolts and stuff, just drain off the engine oil from the oil filter housing. Otherwise you're gonna mess up all the oil will be drained into the valley. So I already removed, so just need to now remove it. the housing. So I'll show you the seal as well. You can see seal like pretty much flattened. So that's why they start to leak. It's not like crack housing or anything, just because of the seal. And I assume the kind of plastic is also not good, so that's why I'm replacing the whole filter housing. So this is the bottom area. So this is a pretty easy job. Then after replacing everything, you have to clean from the valley top of the engine and from the bottom as well, and need to give like good drive to like just burn out the oil residue. Then at the end, check the oil level and everything, and you make sure there's no any further oil leak from the same area. So that's it. So I do recommend it to customer, replace the complete filter housing. Even if you saw like a little bit of oil, like oil seepage or anything around the filter housing, just replace it before it get worse. Because what happens when it get worse, so it will damage your rear timing chain cover silicone, and also it will damage your rear camshaft oil seal as well because of the oil. So before that, so it's going to be if it's damaged, it's going to be like big jobs to remove the transmission and remove the rear timing chain cover. It's going to be like a lot of labor on it. So before that, just get replaced. This one only like 3 to 4 hour job, including cleaning and everything. So guys, thank you very much watching my channel. Please subscribe and share and like. So hopefully I'll come with same another video with helpful video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.